Hello and welcome. Today, we're bringing you a complete mock U.S. citizenship interview for 2025. This video will show you exactly what happens in a real N-400 naturalization interview step by step. You'll practice the yes and no questions, the civics test, the English reading and writing test, the Part 9 vocabulary, and even the oath ceremony. If you're preparing for your USCIS citizenship interview, this simulation is the perfect way to build your confidence and learn how to answer every question correctly. Watch closely, practice along with us, and get ready to pass your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's begin.
Julian Morrow?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Charlotte, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today.
Hi, officer. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Please follow me. Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm fine.
Don't worry. Just answer each question truthfully and clearly. You are under oath today, so everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Let's know your personal information. What is your alien registration number?
My alien registration number is A205-987-421.
What is your country of nationality?
My country of nationality is the Czech Republic.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is December 14, 1985.
Where were you born?
I was born in Prague, Czech Republic.
What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Julian Morrow.
Have you ever used any other names since your birth?
No.
What's your full name?
My full name is Julian Morrow.
Is that the name on your green card?
Yes, the name on my green card is Julian Morrow.
Do you have a nickname?
No.
Have you ever legally changed your name?
No, I have never legally changed my name.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I would like to keep my current name.
What is your height and weight?
My height is 5 feet 10 inches, and my weight is 175 pounds.
What color are your eyes and hair?
My eyes are black, and my hair is also black.
Okay. Do you have a social security number?
Yes, my social security number is 865-92-2207.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have a New York driver's license, number N-400-603-7529, which expires in March 2027.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 646-789-3402.
What is your email address?
My email address is daniel.novak85@gmail.com.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
When did you get married?
I got married on June 10, 2014.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a U.S. citizen on September 15, 2020.
Okay. What is your spouse's full name?
My wife's full name is Anna Moreau.
When and where was she born?
She was born on February 5, 1987, in Brno, Czech Republic.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, we have one child.
What is your child's name and date of birth?
Her name is Emma Moreau. She was born on July 23, 2016, in New York City.
Is your child a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen by birth.
When did you come to the United States?
I first came to the United States on February 10, 2013.
Where did you enter?
I entered through John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York.
What type of visa did you have when you entered?
I entered with an F-1 student visa.
Where do you work?
I work at Manhattan Design Studio.
What is your job title?
I am a senior graphic designer.
How long have you worked there?
I have been working there since March 2018.
What is your office address?
The office is at 1450 Broadway, 10th floor, New York, New York 10018.
Where did you work before this job?
Before this, I worked for Digital Europe Limited in Prague as a visual designer.
Okay. What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Tomas Moreau, and my mother's name is Ivana Moreau.
Where do they live?
They both live in Prague, Czech Republic.
Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they are not U.S. citizens.
Are you a member of any clubs or organizations?
Yes, only the Czech American Cultural Association.
Okay. When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on November 8, 2019.
What is your religion?
I am Christian.
Where do you currently live?
I live at 2410 Broadway, apartment 6B, New York, New York, zip code 10024.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since May 2021.
Do you rent or own your home?
We rent our apartment.
Who lives with you?
I live with my wife and our daughter.
What was your previous address?
My previous address was 812 East 13th Street, Apartment 2A, Brooklyn, zip 11230.
How long did you live there?
I lived there from August 2015 to April 2021.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Czech.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you left the United States?
Yes, I have traveled abroad 4 times in the last 5 years.
Did you always use your green card to re-enter the U.S.?
Yes, always.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, only the Czech Republic.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have a Czech Republic passport, issued on September 1, 2021, valid until September 2031.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I have not.
How many total days did you spend outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
About 60 days, in total.
Can you tell me about your all trips?
Sure. The first trip was to the Czech Republic, from December 20, 2019, to January 6, 2020. The second trip was to Canada, from July 10 to July 18, 2022. The third trip was to the Czech Republic, from August 2 to August 25, 2023. The most recent trip was to Italy, from May 5 to May 15, 2024.
Did any of those trips last more than 6 months?
No, none of them lasted more than 6 months.
Have you ever been deported or denied entry to the United States?
No, I have not.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, officer.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No, I have not.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No, I have not.
Do you file your taxes every year?
Yes, I file my taxes every year, jointly with my wife.
Have you ever married someone to get an immigration benefit?
No, my marriage is real.
Were you required to register for selective service?
No, I was already over 26 when I became a permanent resident.
Do you obey U.S. laws?
Yes, always.
Have you ever received a ticket or a fine?
Yes, I received a parking ticket in 2024, which I paid immediately.
Have you ever failed to attend a deportation hearing?
No.
Now we'll move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Okay.
Please listen carefully to each question. Why do some states have more representatives than other states?
Because of the state's population.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
What does the Constitution do?
Sets up the government.
What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
What are 2 ways that Americans can participate in their democracy?
Vote. Join a political party.
Name one right only for United States citizens.
Vote in a federal election.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech.
Great.
You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now I will go through your N-400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution? What is procure?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, I have not.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, never.
What is convicted? Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone, just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status, or right, from immigration.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No, I have not.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, never.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No, I have not.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No, officer.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, I have not.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No, officer.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever received weapons or military training? What is weapons training?
No, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I am willing to.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
Now, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Who was Abraham Lincoln?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen, but I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No, never.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No, I have not.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, I have not.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, never.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No, never.
Do you owe any debts to the government, like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, officer.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I have not.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No, I have not.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
No.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. These questions are very important. It is important that you answer honestly.
Sure.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, I have not.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No, I have not.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Do you have any reservations about the oath?
No, none.
Do you understand your new rights and responsibilities?
Yes, to vote, obey the law, pay taxes, and serve my community.
Are you willing to give up allegiance to all other countries, including the Czech Republic?
Yes, I am.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, officer, thanks.
Okay.
Would you like to share anything else?
Yes, I am very proud and grateful to become a U.S. citizen. America has given me great opportunities, safety, and freedom, and I want to give back to this country.
Great.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Congratulations. You have passed your interview. After reviewing your moral character, background, and test results, we will prepare your case for final approval.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You will receive your decision and oath ceremony notice by mail. It was my pleasure to conduct your naturalization interview. You may leave now.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.